The heat is heating up. The candidates are up for the third boot and no considerations are being.
Wait. There are two cheating people. I can tell you who they are right now. Here now.
Yes. The serious-looking dude and old man. Public, do not let fear of villainy spread into your great minds.
What? You little cheater. It is her and black guy. Look at what they are hiding. You can tell it's them a mile off.
More like you and black guy. You'll get the tape and prove my victorious greatness.
I should win this election because all three of them are in with each other. Vote for the fair player.
Calm down. Just calm down. Now let me ask a question or we will all go to waste.
He'll beat you three if it is the last thing I do. Women, you have to understand it's the boys that have you fooled.
Why would I fool such a great nation? You are a little beggar for votes.
You little misses of a cheat. I call a break. Cameraman cut.